Is your Porsche Cayenne jerking when accelerating in Dallas? Here's what might be wrong with it. For the smooth running of the car, all its internal components and parts are working simultaneously. Thus, the internal components and parts of the Porsche Cayenne have a specified lifespan. Due to a small problem in any of the components can affect its functions and cause many abnormalities. Among the different problems arising in your Porsche, jerking during acceleration is the most common one. The below points define the causes behind your Porsche Cayenne jerking when accelerating. Blocked catalytic converters. When the converter is blocked, it will cause abnormal vibrations in the car that can lead to jerking while accelerating. Due to these reasons, excess exhaust gases are produced that can affect the functions of the exhaust system and the engine. Worn accelerator cable. When you are pressing the gas pedal, the accelerator cable is pulling the throttle plate to flow more fuel into the engine. Due to regular use, the accelerator pedal is pressed inadequately, which can wear out and cause jerking during acceleration. Worn out spark plugs. When the spark plug is worn out, the performance of the engine is reduced due to the erratic fuel delivery. Subsequently, the bad plugs in your Porsche cause jerking issues while accelerating, with other problems like engine stalling, breakdown, the fuel injector's refusal to start up, a buildup of moisture under the hood. Parking your car outside overnight in cold weather can form condensation under the hood. Buildup of moisture under the hood or the distributor cap is the reason behind the jerking when accelerating the car. Dirty fuel injectors. If the fuel injector is getting dirty by absorbing the moisture, then it will cause a jerk when accelerating the car. Eventually, it will affect the ability of the injector to deliver an adequate amount of fuel to the engine. Conclusion. Moreover, the jerking of the Porsche Cayenne when accelerating can be a very frustrating problem. If you experience jerking when accelerating the Porsche Cayenne, consult a mechanic for diagnosing the jerking and fix it.